Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure app versioning and Retool deployments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure app versioning and Retool deployments, start by logging into your Retool account. Navigate to the app you wish to configure. Open the app in the editor for modifications. Locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the editor. Click on the settings icon to access app settings. In the App Settings menu, find the Versioning section. Toggle the versioning feature to enable it if it is not already enabled. Select the versioning strategy that best fits your needs, such as semantic versioning. Define the naming convention for your app versions. Once the naming convention is set, save your changes in the Settings menu. Next, deploy the app to apply the versioning changes. Navigate to the Deployment settings to create a new deployment. Enter a version number that aligns with your naming convention. Add a description for the deployment to provide context. Click the Deploy button to finalize the deployment process. After deployment, verify that the version number appears correctly in the app details. To test the versioning, make a minor change to the app and redeploy with an updated version number. Check the version history to ensure the changes are recorded accurately. Repeat this process for any future updates to maintain version control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.